It's a wet day. It's the 28th of February, the last day of the month. Eucalyptus blowing in the wind. Supposed to be some pretty good winds coming here off the ocean. And Ganges on Salt Spring Island. Mild and wet. It's one of my seed-grown babies right there. Mermaid looks like she needs a paint job. A wet winter day on Salt Spring Island. There's one of the palm trees in the corner right there. Zoom in on it. A few palms in this park. Yeah. Getting stormy out. Wind warning. They said 90k gusts, probably for the outer Gulf Islands. Not here, we're pretty sheltered. Strawberry trees blooming. A wet coast winter day on the Rock. Well, the planes are still flying. Oh man, and it's choppy out there. Look at that. Wow.